Hello and welcome back everyone to Exam Crackers Assam Learning App. So here today we are going to discuss another 20 most important MCQs from chapter 1 of child development and pedagogy, which is very important for your upcoming Assam TET exam 2021. Okay, so be ready with your pen, paper and everything, books. So before starting the session, let me tell you something about the app. This app is going to be very much helpful for those who are appearing for all kind of competitive exams. যিসকলে competitive examৰ কাৰণে prepare কৰি আছে তেওঁলোকৰ কাৰণে এই app বহুত বেছি লাভদায়ক হ'ব. So all you need to do is just go in Google Play Store and search Exam Crackers. You can download this app. Okay, and you can get the live classes, recorded classes, mock tests, study materials, everything. And I would repeat again that a app on যিসকলে competitive exams or কাৰণে prepare কৰি আছে তেওঁলোকৰ কাৰণে বহুত বেছি helpful. Okay, so I hope you all are ready. We have already discussed 20 important questions from chapter 1, that is child development of CDP, child development and pedagogy, from your Assam TET exam 2021. So here today we are going to discuss another 20 more important questions from chapter 1 of CDP. Okay, so the first question: during the period of childhood development, okay, during the period of childhood, okay, here there is some problem in this question. Anyway, বাল্যকালত আমাৰ যেটো চাইল্ড ডেভেলপমেন্টৰ প্ৰসেস হয় সেই ডেভেলপমেন্টৰ প্ৰসেসটো কেনেকৈ is it slow and cannot be measured, is it multiple layered and complex, consists only of quantitative changes, or is disorderly disjoint. So I would like to repeat here again, আমি ইয়াত কোনটো theory apply কৰিম, theory of elimination. আমি ইয়াত যিবোৰ wrong answer হয় সেই wrong answer খিনি প্ৰথমত বিচাৰি উলিয়াম আৰু সেই wrong answer খিনি আমি eliminate কৰি যেটো correct answer আমি তাক টিক কৰিম, right? So let's see the first statement: is slow and cannot be measured. Okay, so development can be measured, ঠিক আছে? So a answer নহব আৰু childhood of development ইমান বেছি slow নাথাকে. Next, this is wrong. It is multiple layered and complex. Okay, let's take this point. We are doubtful about this point. It শুদ্ধ হ'ব না নহব এটো আমি পাছত চাম. So ইয়াক আমি hold up কৰি দিছো. Next, consist only of quantitative changes. তাৰ মানে childhood অকল quantitative changes খিনি হয় বুলি কৈছে. Is it true? Childhood অকল quantitative changes খিনি হয় নেকি? Is it true? So we have rejected this point. So অকল quantitative changes নহয়, quantitative changes হলে তাহলে এই তাক কি বুলি কোৱা হ'ব, growth বুলি কোৱা হ'ব. So এইটো ভুল হয়. It is disorderly and disjointed. তাৰ মানে disorderly কেতিয়াও নহয়, ঠিক আছে? ডেভেলপমেন্ট হলে এটা সিকোয়েন্স ফলো কৰে. So এই আনসারটো ভুল হ'ব. So which is the only option left here? This. So option B will be the correct answer for the first question. Okay, I hope this is clear for you all. Next question: zone proximal development, যেটো theory আসলে zone proximal development, okay, cognitive development or যেটো theory আসলে zone proximal development, এটো theory তো আমাক কোনে দিছিলে? এই theory তো দিছিলে আমাক Vygotsky, ঠিক আছে? So ইয়াত প্ৰশ্নটো হ'ল zone proximal development is, তাৰ মানে zone proximal development theory to কি? ইয়াত Assamese mediumৰ student খিনিৰ কাৰণে ইয়াত question বোৰ দিয়া আছে. You can just check out the question. Okay, this is for those Assamese medium student. So zone proximal development কি হয়? Okay, so let's check the statement again. ইয়াত আমি এই একেটা theory apply কৰিম. The area between child current level of independent performance and the level of performance that the child could achieve with the help of adult and more skill. তাৰ মানে কি কৈছে যে এটা এৰিয়া আছে য'ত চাইল্ডে নিজে ডেভেলপ কৰে আৰু এটা এৰিয়া আছে য'ত আনৰ সহায় লৈ ই ডেভেলপ কৰে so is it correct so let's keep it in hold আমি চাওঁ আৰু অপচন কিটা চাওঁ the range of tasks that child should be able to do as per her age but cannot so a statement আমাক ৰিভাৰ্স কৰি কেতিয়াও দিয়া নাছিলে এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ statement the process where two individuals who being with different understanding arrive at a shared understanding so a statement to দিয়া নাছিলে the process in which child learn to perform tasks as said by elder member in the society so এই statement to আমাক দিয়া নাছিলে so correct statement কি হয় এইটো হ'ব তাৰ মানে আমাৰ এটা জোন থাকে যত আমি নিজে ডেভেলপ কৰিব পাৰো ওকে আৰু এটা জোন থাকে যত আমি বেলেগৰ পৰা হেল্প লৈ ডেভেলপ কৰো yes so this option will be the correct answer option A will be the correct answer please remember option A will be the correct answer which is the correct answer option A okay please note down the correct answer next question okay individual difference in progressive classrooms should be treated as okay যেটো individual difference হয় তাৰ মানে কি এটা ক্লাছৰুমত গোটেই ষ্টুডেন্টস বোৰ একেই নহয় এটা ক্লাছৰুমত গোটেই ষ্টুডেন্টস বোৰ একেই নহয় ঠিক আছে সো এই ক্ষেত্ৰত আমি কি কৰিব লাগে সো এই বস্তুটো কি সিচুৱেচনত আমি কেনেকৈ ট্ৰিট কৰিব লাগে a hindrance in the process of learning আমি তাক কি process of learning or এটা problem বুলি মানিব চলিব লাগে না yes so এনেকে যদি কৰো আমি learning কেতিয়াও নহব because every individual is different from each other so a option wrong হ'ব a failure of part of teacher no teacher is not the failure here because every individual is different from each other criteria of making ability based group আমি যদি ability based group or divide কৰি দিও তেতিয়া হলে ষ্টুডেন্টৰ মাজত তাহাতৰ মাজত প্ৰবলেম এটা আহিব বা ষ্টুডেন্টে নিজক ইনফেৰিয়ৰ ফিল কৰিব পাৰে সো এই অপচনটো আমাৰ ৰং হ'ব ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট ফৰ প্ল্যানিং অফ টিচিং লাৰ্নিং প্ৰসেস তো ইয়াত আমি কি কৰিব লাগে টিচিং লাৰ্নিং প্ৰসেছত আমি তাৰ যেটো প্ল্যানিং তাত অকমান গুৰুত্ব দিব লাগে তাত যাতে এই ইন্ডিভিজুৱেল ডিফাৰেন্স যেটো হেই বস্তুখিনি আমি শেষ কৰিব পাৰো সবক আমি সমানভাৱে যাতে এডুকেশ্যন দিব পাৰো শিক্ষা দিব পাৰো this will be the correct answer option B will be the correct answer for question number 3 next question according to let me erase this according to Jean Piaget children in formal operational stage are formal operational stage Jean Piaget amar চাৰিটা stage দিয়া আছে কি আছে sensory motor pre-operational concrete operational and formal operational so formal operational stage of children or key hoy capable of hypothetical deductive reasoning and propositional thoughts so a point of ami hold up from are bound by centration and inversely of sight so a to centration of thoughts yat amar pre-operational stage of tahibo okay cannot converse classify serial etu thakibo during the sensory motor being engaged in make believe symbolic থাকে আমার concrete stage of ঠিক আছে so formal stage of কি হয় hypothetical deductive reasoning তার মানে তেওঁলোকৰ চিন্তাধাৰা বহুত বেছি ওপৰত গুচি যায় okay they are able to make deductive reasoning okay so this option A will be the correct answer for question number 4 option A will be the correct answer for question number 4 next question in your screen which of the following is correctly matched pair yat ketaman pair dia ase like types of intelligence okay and tar logot jetu possibility performance ase tar mane he intelligent toka manu hai ba his if a person has got that sort of intelligence then what are the ability or what the possibility or what are the tasks that he can perform so spatial or therapist right spatial means visual or therapist or logot kuno link nai so this will be the wrong intrapersonal salesperson hobole amar interpersonal hobo lage anar logot kotha kotha kora hobo lage so intrapersonal or salesperson a2 wrong okay linguistic sculpture so linguistic to bhakar logot related yar aru sculpture logot kono dhoroner relation nai etu hobo wrong bodily or kinesthetic, ইয়াৰ হ'ব athlete. Yes, this is the correct answer because যাৰ bodily or kinesthetic intelligence বেছি থাকে সেই মানুহবিলাকৰ বা তেওঁলোকৰ কি হয় নিজৰ বডিৰ ওপৰত কন্ট্ৰোল থাকে, and those athletes they have got control over their body. So option B will be the correct answer. Option B will be the correct answer here for question number 5. Okay, please note it down. Option D will be the correct answer for question number 5. Next question. Assamese medium or jikhini ase temlokor karone yat question likha ase. You can please check it out, note it down. Okay. So here the question is, at which stage of Lawrence Kohlberg theory of moral development do individuals believe that actively maintaining the current social system ensure positive human relationship and social order? Yato common spelling bhul hoise. So social order kuntu stage of manubore social order maintain kori chole. So amar Lawrence Kohlberg e tinita stage disile. Yes, tinita level disile aru tinita level ছটা স্টেজ আছিলে, তিনিটা লেভেল কি কি আছিলে, প্ৰি কনভেনশনাল, কনভেনশনাল আৰু পোষ্ট কনভেনশনাল. সো তাৰে কেইটামান স্টেজ আছিলে. ইয়েস, সো সেই স্টেজবোৰত পানিশমেন্ট আৰু অবিডিয়েন্স এইটো ক'ত আহিব, এইটো আহিব প্ৰি কনভেনশনাল. ঠিক আছে. social order, yes, this will be the correct answer. This is not the correct answer, and instrumental এইটো correct answer নহয়, universal ethical এইটো লাষ্টত আহে, এইটো correct answer নহয়. So social order code maintain kore, this will be the correct answer. Okay, and this is in level 2 conventional morality stage bili jak hua hai. A stage to kod ase level 2 ase. Okay, please note it down. Option B will be the correct answer for question number 7. I think this is clear for you. Next question. Question number 8. The concept of object permanence is attained during Piaget's stage of development. Object permanence ketia develop hoy, ami jodi Piagetor theory sao tar jeto stage of developments boli dia ase, stages of cognitive development boli dia ase ei theory jodi sao object permanence ketia hoy during the sensory motor stage. Okay, pre-conceptual pre-operational stage of object permanence ot ke tahati uporot uthi jay. Concrete কি হয়, concrete তাহাঁতৰ size, weight এইবোৰৰ knowledge clear হয়, formula তাহাঁতৰ hypothetical, inductive, hypothetical, deductive reasoning বোৰ develop হয়. Yes, pre operational তাহাঁতি অকমান egocentric হৈ থাকে, and so the correct answer will be option A. Okay, option A. Object permanence কেতিয়া হয়, sensory motor age যেটো দিয়া আছে during the sensory motor age. Please note down. So the correct answer for question number 8 will be option A. Okay, the correct answer for question number 8 is option A. Next, very important question. A question to agot porikhat ahise. Okay, so question agai ami bhalke porhilo. Noor forgot to bring her tiffin to school and asked Tanya to share her tiffin. So এইটো আমাৰ কৰব আহিছে আকৌ যেটো লরেন্স কলবার্গৰ থিওরি আছে, থিওরি অফ মরালিটি ডেভেলপমেন্ট. ঠিক, সো এই থিওরি খিনি ইয়াত ডিসকাস কৰা হৈছে, বা এই কোৱেশ্চনটো আমি সেই থিওৰিৰ দ্বাৰা সলভ কৰিব পাৰিম. সো ইয়াত কি আছে, টিফিন এক্সচেঞ্জ কৰা কথা কৈ আছে, ওকে, শেয়াৰ কৰা কথা হৈ আছে. ইয়াত কি হৈছে, ইউ শুড শেয়াৰ টিফিন উইথ মি টুডে বিকজ I shared my tiffin with you yesterday. So ইয়াত ইন্ডিভিজুয়ালিজম আৰু এক্সচেঞ্জৰ কথা চলি আছে. Okay, so individualism aru exchange both asile, that was in pre-conventional stage. Pre-conventional stage or duta ase, obedience and punishment. Next, individualism and exchange. So option D will be the correct answer. Which is the correct answer? Option D will be the correct answer. Ji kokol Assamese medium or karone ya proshno dia ase. So kuntu hobo option D will be the correct answer. Clear? Next question, question number 10. Question number 10 আমি চাই লওঁ ইয়াত কি দিয়া আছে. So as per Howard Gardner's theory of multiple intelligence, what would be the characteristics of person with logical mathematical intelligence? যার লজিক্যাল আৰু mathematical intelligence থাকে তার characteristics খিনি কি হ'ব বা তাৰ qualities কেনেকুৱা থাকিব পাৰে so obviously sensitive and sound rhythm meaning of words এইগিটা নাথাকে এইগিটা linguistic হয় ability to perceive এইগিটা spatial হয় ability to produce aggregate pitch rhythm এইগিটা music হয় so mathematical কি থাকিব sensitivity to and capacity to detect pattern handle long chain of reasoning ঠিক আছে so the correct answer will be option D. Option D will be the correct answer here for question number 10. Question number 10 or correct answer here option D. Okay, you should answer. You should try to answer yourself as soon as possible, and please share this video with your friends. So, jate sobe love uthabo pare ei video tour. These are very important. And if you have not seen my previous video, please go to the playlist. You will find the previous video that I discuss korisu yare agot 20 very important MCQs from chapter 1 aji ami ako chapter 1 ore 20 ta notun ke MCQ question kini loi ahisu ekini discuss kori asu so if you have not watched that video please go and watch that video as well as please share this so that everyone can access sobe jate labh uthabo pare so the word personality has been derived from the Latin word or pora personality kuntu Latin word or pora a personality shobda ei shobda to kuntu Latin shobdor pora lua hoise so the correct answer is persona is the correct answer okay persona is the correct answer so ei personality eta dighol kahini ase tar mane Greece or jetia manubure drama korisile teoloke eta mask we can say you know মুখত এটা মাস্ক পিন্ধিছিলে মুখত এটা পিন্ধিছিলে সো তাকে পার্সোনা বুলি কোৱা হৈছিলে ঠিক আছে সো দা কারেক্ট আনসার ইজ পার্সোনা আৰু তাৰ পৰাই এই শব্দ পার্সোনা শব্দটো ডিরাইভ কৰা হৈছে সো দা word personality has been derived from Latin word persona clear okay so let's move to the next slide in fact next question so Kurzweil had given the classification of personality in the year Kurzweil jitu ami personality classification jodi sao tat Kurzweil boli ejon ase tekhate amar classification dise so tekhator classification kuntu year ot ahisile it was it 1900 1910 15 বা 25 so the correct answer is 1925 it came in the year 1925 ketia disle 1925 okay so the correct option will be option D question number 2 correct option of option number D okay the answer is 1925 next question number 13 Selden boli ejon asle this will be Selden again not Seldown Selden classified personality according to Selden e ki hor basis ot amar personality classify korisile okay so Selden are asle endomorphic mesomorphic okay ebu classification disile so tekhator classification or ki hor uporat base kori classify korisile that was based on body ঠিক আছে that was based on body like Selden e koisile jiburor soft and round body hoy teolok endomorphic hoy ba jibur muscular or strong teolok mesomorphic aru eta asile ectomorphic yeah if I'm not wrong that ki asle jibur manu tall and thin okay weak so the correct option for question number 13 will be option B Selden a body type or uporat base kori amar personality classify korisile okay is that clear now next question number 4 according to Carl Jung the type of personality is Carl Jung or mote type of personality bur ki hoy what are the types of personality according to Carl Jung sorry here there will be little changes this won't be Carl Jung this will be Jung Jung so Jung or mote personality classification or personality types bur ki hoy okay so according to Jung personality types bur ki hoy it is not Carl Jung it will be Jung okay what it will be Jung common typing mistake also so according to Jung the type of personality is according to Jung the type of personality is what জাঙে কেটা পার্সোনালিটি দিছে জাঙে কেতিয়াও এম্বিভার্টৰ কথা কোৱা নাই আমাক ঠিক আছে জাঙে আমাক কেতিয়াও এম্বিভার্টৰ কথা কোৱা নাই so this one we Carl Jung this will be Jung okay J U N G so yak Jung's classification বুলি কোৱা হয় so এখেতে কি কৰিছে কেতিয়াও আমাক এম্বিভার্টৰ কথা কোৱা নাই okay ambivert বুলি কেতিয়াও দিয়া নাই so ambivert jot আছে আমি হে পয়েন্টস এটা কাটি দিব পাৰো ambivert নালাগে আমাক ambivert নালাগে so the correct answer will be what option B extrovert and introvert jange classify কৰিছিলে পাছত ambivert add কৰা হৈছে ঠিক আছে so the correct answer will be option B and the question here the question of one mistake ase it's not Carl Jung it will be Jung okay ki hobo it will be Jung okay this will be Jung this is not Carl Jung this is Jung J U N G okay Jung's classification of personality will be next very important question and very interesting question the first intelligence test was constructed in the year protham intelligence test ketia ahisile so yar eta digholia history ase William Wood 1879 ot amar just eta contribution disile tat tekete kono dhoroner test invent kora nasile tekete ki korisile eta lab prepare kori mental testing or namot heri kori disile tar pas 1900 ot ketale keita man trial eta korisile but we can't say it as an intelligence test 1905 or Alfred Binet amar intelligence test prothom barar babe construct korisile and Alfred Binet is known as father of mental testing who is Alfred Binet is known as father of mental testing aro Alfred Binet or jetu test asile he test of ki boli koa hoy Binet-Simon intelligence test or intelligence scale boli koa hoy so ei test of tinibar man revise kora hoise 1905 ot jetia ahisile tete ya 30 ta items asile aru kuntu age or karone ei test hoy he test to clear kora age clear kora na asile tar pasot 1908 ot ako yak ki kora hol revise kora hol ঠিক আছে revise kori tat 59 ta items add korile tar mane in place of 30 it was done 59 add kori age clear korile from 13 to from 3 to 16 years or age dile tar pasot ako 11 of 1911 ot revise korisile revise kori 59 ta items asile thike items kini check change kora na kintu jetu age asile he age to 3 years to 16 years kori dise thik ase so prothom barar babe ketia ahisile in the year 1905 so option B will be the correct answer for question number 15 which is the correct answer option B 1905 is the correct answer for question number 15 please note it down next interest is latent attention and attention is interest in action ei khar kotha ba ei statement kuna disile okay so kuna disile attention or uporat ei statement it was given by McDougall ei statement disile thik ase McDougall gave this statement okay please remember option A is the correct answer interest is latent attention and attention is interest in action A statement kuna disile McDougall is the correct answer okay done clear next question number 17 question number 17 so question number 17 of ki ase what is the full form of ODD full form ki hoy ODD ki hoy okay ODD eta behavioral disorder hoy ODD eta behavioral disorder hoy aru behavioral disorder mane ki heibur behavior jitu behavior e amar developmental process ot badha diye okay ei behavior jitu behavior e amar developmental process ot badha diye ei tenekwa behavior of behavioral problem boli koa hoy and ODD is one kind of behavioral problem so ei ODD full form to ki is it oppositional deficit disorder is it oppositional defiant disorder is it oppositional disable disorder or oppositional duplicate disorder yat Assamese medium or jikhini ase teonokor karone yat proshno dia ase sorry proshno khini Assamese medium or karone yate ase yate ase so which will be the correct answer the answer is oppositional defiant disorder please note it down the answer is oppositional defiant disorder clear Next question, question number 18. So list of personality. Yat ketaman amar personality types bur diya ase aru tar logote hey personality types or profounder junkita asle temlokor namu diya ase. So yat ami match koribo lagibo kun kita correct match hoy. Thik ase kun kita correct match hoy. Introvert aru extrovert kone disle introvert aru extrovert amar jange disle jang. Okay, so প্ৰথমৰটো কি হ'ব নম্বৰ 4 ওকে সো এতিয়া নম্বৰ 4 যত নাই হে পয়েন্টস কিটা আমি কাটিব পাৰো তাৰ মানে this one will be correct, this one will be correct as well as okay এই দুটা কারেক্ট হ'ব পাৰে okay next আমি চেক কৰিম theoretical economic and aesthetic এটো কোনে দিছিলে stranger okay number 3 is also correct okay this will be number 3 so এই দুটা কারেক্ট হ'ব পাৰে 4 ৰ পাছত কি আহিলে number 3 আহিলে প্ৰথমত 4 তাৰ পাছত 3 এতিয়া next oral anal genital etu kune disile amar fraud kune disile fraud okay Sigmund Freud etu disile so the answer here will be number 2 okay so etia ami sabo paru 432 kot ase yat ki ase 431 ase so this will be again wrong so the correct answer is question number B 4321 okay one mane personality display cyclic asthenic athletic and dysplastic clear so enake ami bostubur eliminate kori ami correct answer uliabo paru you should also apply this theory this method for solving this kind of questions question number 18 according to Piaget from which of the child start to develop self is a very big thing ঠিক আছে self মানে নিজৰ বিষয়ে ভাবা to develop oneself okay so a self to keter pora develop ho arambho hoy it is from 12 years keter pora arambho hoy from 12 years so answer will be option B ঠিক আছে answer will be option B please note it down next question number 20 okay 20 the last question which of the following statement is incorrect regarding mental health and hygiene or because kun kita statement bhul dise which is incorrect yat maximum kini correct ase so tare ami eta uliabo lage jetu incorrect hoy okay so let's see mental health is the ability to adjust mental hygiene is the science to deal with mental health so this statement is correct about mental health and hygiene next mental health can be obtained without mental hygiene sorry mental health cannot be obtained without mental hygiene ami jodi sab sikun maintain nakoru amar physical health bhal hoy thakibo jano ami bemarat korim yes so in the same way if we don't get mental hygiene if there is no mental hygiene then we can't be mentally healthy so this is a wrong statement okay so we have already found our answer okay yeah next point is mental hygiene affect mental health yes obviously mental hygiene affects mental health and hygiene are related to each other yes obviously related to each other so the only incorrect statement about mental health and hygiene are because the incorrect statement ata disle bhul dharona ata disle that is option B so B will be the correct answer option B will be the correct answer here okay please don't forget this theory this is very interesting in this way you can solve maximum of the answers এই आंसर খিনি আমি এনেকে সলভ কৰিব পাৰিম প্ৰথমে আমি কি কৰিব লাগে যেকিটা ভুল দিছে যেকিটা ৰং অপচন দিছে সেই ৰং অপচন খিনি আমি বাছি উলিয়াব লাগে তাৰ পাছত যেটো কারেক্ট হয় বা যেটো মোস্ট এপ্ৰোপ্ৰিয়েট হয় তাক আমি এজ আ আনসার টিক কৰিব লাগে ওকে so thank you so much for watching this video please study ঘৰত preparation চলাই থাকক yes exam is approaching it is dangling you should study hard study well and if you have any doubt any problem you can just join our app that is exam trackers and you will get everything study materials live courses recorded classes mock tests everything okay thank you so much thank you for joining this video please share this with your friends so that everyone can access this beautiful session